Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. And guys, today I'm gonna use this big aloe vera, or some people, Jamaican people, say Cinco Bible. I'm gonna use about quarter of it, and I'm gonna do a hair treatment for you guys. I'm gonna cut it, and let me show you as I go along. You just want to cut this part off, and I'm gonna use about this amount. Look at that goodness, guys. So what you want to do, I'm just going to strip the sides, and all I'm going to do now, I'm going to cut it in 4 pieces, and then I'm going to cut it down the middle. Just like that. Slippery. Just like that, guys. Now I'm gonna show you my face, and I'm gonna rub this in my hair. My aloe vera, it smells nice, not too bad. So I'm gonna section my hair in 4. Don't watch if you see all type of things falling out of it, guys. It's dirty and there's gel in it. Guys, I'm afraid of my hair. You too, Sunny? Sunny said she's afraid of her hair too. You want to section it in 4, guys, so you can have more room to work with. And you just want to twist it or plait it. Just some plain water, and I'm gonna wet my hair a little bit, just a little. Now, ooh, it's slimy. Look at that. Look at that, guys. And all you want to do, guys, just go ahead and rub this slime in. Rub it in from the root to the ends. You want some in your hair, Sunny?
No.
Yes, I'm gonna do some. I'm gonna put some. Yes, I'm gonna put some in Sunny's hair, guys.
No.
Just rub it all over, guys. And once you do that and there's no more slime, just play with it like you're playing with a toy. Squeeze it like a mush, like slime. And then you're gonna get more juice, and you want to continue to rub it all over. Make sure you get the ends, okay, guys? Get the ends too. Ooh. And voila, that's it. Can you hear the slime? And that's it. You just want to twist it back. And this is my hair journey, okay, guys? I'm going to show you. Every time I add something to my hair, I will show you guys, all right? I'm going to grow my hair apart from I cut off this part. See the part that I cut? Oh, dear Jesus. I was so mad at myself. I would punch myself. And we're going to do the same thing to the next side. Same thing. Get that slimy up in it. It doesn't matter if some get on your face. I'm going to do a face treatment for you guys also. You won't believe it. Can you see my face, guys? Yes, I'm going to do one for you. Maybe after this video. Squeeze it on in. Look at that. Ooh, look at that, guys. Look at that. Yes, get it in there, guys. It's good for your hair. It's gonna give your hair strength, give your hair body, and your hair gonna feel moisturized and soft. And it's gonna have growth. Your hair gonna have lots of length. Feels so good. It feels so cool on my scalp. Oh, it's so good, guys, so good. Ooh, make my curls coming out. Ooh, make my curls coming out from where they were hiding. And you want to do the same thing. And look at that curls, guys. Look at it. This is my hair. Look at it. Nasty girl, this, eh? Oh, well, you can call me that, guys. Yes, I don't wash my hair every day. Nada. Nada. When I put my hairstyle in, it's gonna last, okay, guys? All right, so this is it. My goodness, guys, look at my curls. Wow. My hair shrinks a lot. You see the length, if you can see the length of my hair. My hair is growing so much, guys. Can you see this? I'm using all my oils, my ginger oil, my onion oils. I put it in the roots, and look, my hair is growing, guys. Can you see how? You want to grab some shower caps, or if you have the next one, whichever one. But this one I just pick it up at the dollar store. And my favorite color today, I'm gonna go for pink today. And you want to put it on. And this is it. You can walk around, go do whatever you want to do. Leave it in for 15 minutes. I'm going to try to leave it in for half an hour. The longer it is, it's better. You can sit under the dryer for like 15 minutes, because what you're going to do now, guys, you're going to steam it. Or if you don't have a dryer, the one that they use at the hair salon, you can just use the blow dryer and, you know, blow it for like 5 to 10 minutes on and off, medium heat, and you're gonna steam it. All right, if you don't have nothing at all, you can just go sit in the sun for like 5 to 10 minutes. If not, you can just leave it and go work up a sweat, go wash the dishes, go do laundry, and then your body will start to sweat, and then everything gonna combine, you know. All right, I'm gonna come back after 30 minutes and I'm gonna show you. This is it. Soft. I would leave it in. Oh, my curls come shining through. Ooh. Oh, look at my curls come popping in. I'm just gonna rinse it out with plain old water. I'm gonna use a little bit warm water, okay, because I hate cold water. And then I'm gonna come back and then I'm gonna show you. So guys, since I didn't put any shampoo in my hair, I'm gonna add a little bit of conditioner just to, it's soft enough, but I just need it to be detangled a little bit so I can comb it out. It's Garnier, and this one is Sleek and Shine, and this one adds lots of moisture. Oh my god, it makes my hair so soft and nice. This is the only one I can use, and it makes my hair not tangled or anything. So since I do this and all my curls is popping, guys, if you want, you can go ahead and add your hair treatment. But I want back my moisture and my softness in my hair, so I'm gonna add a little bit of conditioner. And you just want to put it all over. And guys, look at it. Ooh. And at this time, guys, you want to go in with your comb, and then you go and you detangle your hair. Always comb from end to root, but I always do it wrong. Don't follow me, but you comb from end first to the root. But can you see it, guys? No knots. So easy. That's it. I'm gonna leave this for about 5 minutes, then I'm gonna rinse it out. Then I'm gonna come back and then I'm gonna show you the treatment, the oils I'm gonna add to it, and that's it. All right, guys, look at I'm crying. Look at the big piece I cut out. Oh, God. I guess that's the style. Oh dear, oh well. Alright guys, I'll come right back. My hair feels like heaven, guys. Look at it. So clean. It's about 7 to 10 oils, even more, okay? From coconut oil to castor oil to tea tree oil to olive oil, or to argan oil, to camellia oil, and I also add like some of these oils. It's like it's keratin oil. I add some of these. It's so many oils. I will leave them in the description box. So basically guys, I add all of these oils together, and what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna spray it in. Guys, and that's it. Just massage your scalp and your hair. All right guys, that's it. My hair feel refreshed. My head meat or head scalp feels so soft. Ooh, relaxed. And that's it guys. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. One love and be blessed. All right, bye guys.